So many problems in life can end when you have the ability to snap out quickly. Now think about it. Your boss said something to you, and that you keep on repeating the same thing in your head, and that is hurting you. I have seen this reel where they explain that when you hold a glass of water, it does not matter how much the glass of water weighs, but the longer you hold, the more pain you will feel. So sometimes people say a lot of things not because they hate you or you hate them or you have done something wrong to them or they have wronged you. It is because that's who they are. Sometimes people project their own insecurities onto other people. Sometimes they don't have the guts to accept their own mistake. So instead, they put others down. And if you keep sitting there thinking about all those people, you can't do something big in your life. See, if you really want to do something big in your life, first you have to stop bothering by small things. There are so many big things that needs your attention, but sometimes we pay attention to most stupid things. So there is one thing that you can do. So whenever you find yourself in a situation that is really triggering you, start speaking everything that is bothering you. Start writing it down, speaking it loud, whatever it is, but let it out. See, the more you are running from your triggers, the more it will haunt you. So if you want to let it go, first you have to let it in. First, you have to sit with it and ask yourself what is something that is bothering you and why it is bothering you. And now you have to focus on the facts and note what your mind is trying to tell you. You have to think logically. Let's say someone made comment about your body. So the reason you felt attacked is because deep down you also believe the same way. Deep down you also believe that there is something wrong in your body. So if you think there is something wrong in your body and that is actually true and you have the power to control that or you have the power to fix it, fix it. The reason is when someone say confident people dumb, they don't shaken easily. It's always the insecure one that's shaken easily. So the reason why you felt attacked in the first place is because deep down you also feeding yourself the same lies. When somebody says something to you, how does it feel? Does your inner voice try to protect you or it work against you? Look at yourself and think about it. What kind of phrases you are telling yourself every single day? Because that's how you're gonna act. Think about it. Sometimes there are two people in the same position, the same opportunities, and they both act differently. It's because they have different conversation with themselves. And when you plant a seed in the beginning, its roots are not strong. So if there is strong wind, a little strong wind, the roots can come out easily. So as the time grows, the roots become stronger, and then no matter how much strong the wind is, the roots don't come out easily. So the thing is this, sometimes we are not strong enough to deal with everything. Sometimes our beliefs is still forming, our healing is just starting. So sometimes it is okay to protect yourself from others, to protect yourself from other people's worries while you figure out what is going on in your own life. Sometimes it is okay to be selfish because when you are just starting your journey, your roots are not strong enough to deal with everything. So sometimes it is okay to protect yourself and to choose yourself.